another exciting episode of Roller Coaster C/D. Today we'll be going on the Swell, which is basically the giant pirate ship ride. Alright, here we are. Not quite a roller coaster, but still a commotion. This is the Swell. Oh, okay. I think it's best to be in the back because you really get a weightless feeling at the top. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have done this. Oh no, my stomach. Oh, please, make it stop. I don't want to swing. No, please. I don't want to swing any longer. Oh God. Please. This might come to an end. Or I could just throw up and get it over with.
I'm talking about it real.
Oh, here we go. Wow. Yeah, this ride was a mistake. Okay. Oh, I don't feel really great. My stomach hurts, and I might throw up, but that'll have to wait for the next video because that does it for this episode. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. I hope to see you right back here in the very near future.